My people, na where don't they come my channel before? Welcome back. If today na the first time where they reach my channel, say na today be the first time where they take your two koro I see me. Now be this. Welcome to my channel. My name is Summer. Before I continue today's video, make a reminder now. You see that red button there where they write subscribe? Click that button, make you subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I do upload new video. Na so na do well. For today's video, my people, it's don't still where I see upload video for this side. Now I say me I call upload video. People go they say Summer they quick give us video for this side now. The thing I say sometimes because I get another channel, sometimes I dey busy for that side. Yeah, I know what make I dey do pass as my body feel. I know me I dey do waiting past my body. If I don't get, I know the sometimes they easy to dey concentrate to do video for that side, do for this side. So sometimes if you just do that side and that side, your mind go just day. Or sometimes if you do this side and this side, your mind go just day. So today now I say, say sometimes if you say make you go sit down plan video, sometimes you go come go do one. But today I just say make I just do something. I just say make I do something. So I be want cook food. I be want cook food where I go chop. Only me or my children already eat their own food. I be want cook food where I go chop. Now I say why I know that cook man sit down. Me I just take and do video for now for this side at least make I still take show face. It does still taste more. And this food where I want cook now good for person who want lose weight. Even me now for the whole summer the weather I just see for the whole summer as the weather fine. And so today barbecue, tomorrow na party, tomorrow another day na take away, another day a restaurant. Even me self I don't dey gain weight small. So this kind of food good for person who want lose weight. So now so say sometimes even if you dey eat well, sometimes when you don't dey age they go any small thing you don't gain weight. Even now self it be like say even if I just smell the food self I don't gain weight. I don't know, but I dey try my best. I dey still try to eat the right kind of food, the exercise joiner. So this food where I want cook for now, see ant. This food where I want cook for now, food where they like to eat and well. And they take before you do all like this, before you know I do already. Very quick, easy food. So anybody feel cook hard. So make we start. Make we start. So now all the things what we go need be this. So we go need what? We go need water, pepper. I no want cut the pepper. I go just put the pepper like that. No cube. I dey use two because I no go use salt. Just get mixed vegetable there. Anything what you like if you get. But I get extra. The what they call bell pepper. Different color. I just slice and so sometimes they say na eye they fair eat food before mouth go eat them. I just to get different color. I dey like me my food. I dey like me my food. They shine with different color. This na onions. Onions where they cut small size onions. Salmon fish. I like salmon fish well. I too like salmon fish. And then I get herbs. See, I just mix herbs. Any herbs that you like, you fit use. And then curry. Since I use curry. Now all the things where I go use for the cooking, I be this. Now that already, I am okay cook. So I go first throw my fish. I go first put salmon inside. I go put water. I not go put too much water, na small water. As I put water, now they see I put water. I go just throw my onions. See my onions? I go put onions inside. Now see I throw my onions inside. I go put my mixed herbs. I go just throw the pepper inside. This pepper later I go use this one to break am up. Pepper and no. I don't first tell you now. I dey use two no because I no go use salt because no say no get salt inside. So I go put that one. I go just break am. I know they too take oil cook. I know they really like to take oil cook. So say salmon get your own oil and your own oil they healthy. Pass all the ordinary oil. But I go put curry. When I see I dey like my food to get flavor well. I go put curry. And this as I put curry. Once this one cook now, I go just mash her up. So see, I just throw everything inside. The cooking no hard at all. See my pepper, I go just throw inside. So see say I don't put everything. Later on I go see say I go break this one off. When this one don't soft well, I go smash. I go break her up when it don't soft well. You see, I don't throw everything. The only thing where I never put, now this one. See, say I never put this one. Only this one I never put. I still get extra water. If I need, I go add. But I'm not sure I go need extra water. So only this one I never put. So I go just cover her. Oh God. as the food they cook, make I just stay follow una talk small. How una dey, how una side, show una dey enjoy, show una dey bubble. Which country you dey? Make you put am for comment section. May I know where una for dey watch me. Many people dey ask me say, which country self you dey? I don't know, at least everybody know, but as una no know, I go do separate video where I go show una the country where I dey stay. I go show una around, I go show una different things. I go do separate video for that one. For you where they watch me, leave me comment which country you dey stay, how weather be, show una weather, our weather fine. You know, go believe as I dey talk to una so. I like half 7, 8 for night, and I be this. That's the weather still fine, light still day, darkness never even come. Our weather fine where this year, and as the sun shine where na so my garden just do well. My garden really do well. It do well. All the things I plant just they grow. Make I check the thing. I just they turn the. Should be for sure now what I do. Should be for sure now what I do. I just they turn the fish small so that the second side go cook. So the weather fine well. The weather fine well. Sometimes I really wish say I feel they see una face to face. More would they talk like human being. They talk to human being. You know that kind of thing. You know, so this one only me they talk. As I they talk, no as I they talk, no if you answer me. To say na say would they talk like face to face. It was sweet though. It was really sweet. You know, that this internet take the interesting thing. I could just day one country like this. I could they do video. People could they see me from all over the world. Now, the thing they be like juju sometimes. When you see technology na good thing. So for me, how when I enjoy una summer, I still enjoy my own. The one I want still slow down. The thing where they eat them. I can't eat some kind of thing. The other day one of my friends when knows I they like puff. He come my house. He come my house. He come bring all the ingredients. She mix and come fry puff. Now say they eat it. I like puff. Now say I eat. I say before this summer go finish, I go down be like this. I go down double. I don't see the add now. I don't add small. I don't still add small. So this is the time when you don't the old. Any small thing you could just gain weight. You know, say as you don't the old, you go say body metabolism they change. My body don't want the change. My body don't want the change. When I even do my 40th birthday, the other day I look picture. I can't see when I do my 40th birthday. Now I look, see that time. Even the dress never even fit me again. I don't still add small since that time. Where I did that time 2 years ago, where I do my 40th birthday, and they look the dress today. The thing never be my size again. No, only 2 years. I don't still add small. So when you they older to gain weight, they easy. You know, I even feel like I still try. You know, be say I eat jaga sometimes. You know, say waiting now. Children day holidays, you go restaurant, you go this one, you go still they try to do enjoyment thing. You go do take away, you go order food, you go, all this kind of thing. But waiting now, she been once they live this life. You know, once they live this life. But the one with the vex now say, at least I still try you, I still eat well. But now I be like say even if I just smell the food self, I don't gain weight. Now sometimes I gain too much, but I still gain small. But we check the cooking. Just still cook small now. I go just turn them around. I go turn them around. This my fish. Normally I dey break her up because the way I want her, I normally break her up because I just want everything scatter. I go just eat all of them together. And so I take this one. So this pepper now, which I go just do. Now so I do the pepper because the pepper they hot well. So sometimes I don't want the waste I call the sliced pepper or anything like that. They blend pepper. I will just put another. As I don't do it like this, you see the pepper now they rub. So as I rub the pepper, so the pepper go don't enter the food. It go hot too. I dey like my food hot. I don't even smell the pepper self. Now I go put my mixed vegetables. Put anyone where you like, where you get. See, I will just put her. I will just add her like that. See, now they see, no see as the color fine. See different colors. See, Yoruba go say orishi. See different color. That they really like me my food. You know, so sometimes you know say they talk and say now. Sometimes my eye they eat food before the mouth go eat. So color they fine. Color they good for food. You see the colors. So I go cover her now. You know go too thin now. I go ready. Ready. Instead I don't put too much water, so I don't want water for. See, as I don't put too much water, so water no remain inside. See, mine. See all the vegetable. I don't want to cook them too much, so they're not too overcooked. See all of them still get their color. Mind be that it's not ready now. It's not ready with that. My brown rice. Now they see, and my brown rice be this. If you want to lose weight, you need to eat brown rice. So I go just add them on top. Sometimes wetin I dey do na say I go first start to dey eat. If I need more, I go add more. Una see am. Now be this, as it already be this, now be this. So, oh yeah, Mona can join me. I know say una no fit eat from here, but if I no invite you, I go be like I be bad person. So time to taste and be this. When I watch all this kind of program, people go cook, they'll go say, they'll go taste and they'll go say it's sweet. I go say before uncle, what you go talk? She be na you cooker, you go claim say it's sweet now. Make a taste and sharp. I don't feel like una the tea is sweet. And it's sweet well. But not because I make cook, I'm gonna try the tell you. I'm gonna try them. So food to tell lose weight, now be all this one. The one I want to try and all these different swallow. Where they do, where they take where they gonna use cabbage they do swallow, take plantain, all those ones to do swallow. Another one I go try. And they look for all those kind one. Get some people for this YouTube where I know where they cook all those kind of food well. One fantastic favor. I go link the channel one I go watch them. Another one my life as favor. But I say she don't do cabbage fufu before. Cabbage fufu and Chinyere. She don't change her name before in Nigeria. What did they call her again? She don't change her name to Chinyere, Flow Chinyere, something like that. I go link all of them when I go watch them. They do different cooking. Are they hungry? Afternoon food be this. I supposed to not eat food since, but I'm busy. I don't get time. I don't get time to eat. Now I can't eat afternoon food. It's 8 o'clock. Wait time. What's the time? 25 past 8. 25 past 8 now be this. People wanna like me, gonna go try them. Wanna call leave me comment how wanna see them. The tea sweet, no be small. I go end today's video for them. My people wanna do it, so wanna go watch my video. Until next time, my people. Bye bye you. Bye bye.